Hello, friends. I think all are you all fine by the grace of Allah. I am also fine by the Almighty Allah. I want to share with you an experience. The experience is at the at present time everybody wants a good job, but nobody wants achieve good skills. But I think if you anyone get a good job, he or she need achieve good skills. When a man will achieve a good skill, he will get a job automatically he will be a good job by his skills. I think every man should uh, achieve a good skills, and anyone should not run behind government job.